My name is Bailey Harding. Today I want to talk to you about the power of the tongue. I decided to talk to you about the power of the tongue to complete my last talk about the positive thinking. Do you know that your tongue is a weapon? Do you know that? I will tell you how and why. With your tongue, with your mouth, you have the power to bless your life or to curse yourself. You do it by saying negative things when you curse your life, by saying things such as, I'm a loser, I'm never going to succeed in my life. And then you're surprised that nothing's moved the way you want and nothing worked the way you want. You bring that bad energy yourself by saying these words. But when you say positive things in your life, such as, I'll be a doctor. If you want to say it as well, I'll be wealthy. There's nothing wrong to want to be wealthy. Or I'll be a big CEO. When you say things like that, you know, you bring a positive energy. You bless your life. I'm a parent, and us as parents, we have this power in our children's life to bless their life by saying positive things. Bless your children's life by saying things like, you'll succeed. You're gonna get where you want in life. You know, bless their life. And I have also a toddler. With toddlers, sometimes we have this tendency to tell them, you're naughty, you're a bad child, that's bad. No. You should change the way you do it. You should tell your child what to them. Things like, that behavior is naughty, but you're a good child. I know you're a good child. You know, bless their life. Bless their life. Bless your life as well. You have this power to set prophecy in your life. Prophecy in your life. Say things such, I'll be a doctor. I'll be successful. I know it. Say things like that. Say things, positive things for your children. You'll be successful. You're gonna succeed in life. And you will see doors gonna open. If you combine the positive thinking with the power of the tongue, you'll be invincible. But don't forget to act, because it's nice to think. It's nice to talk, but then act. And you will open all your doors. Thank you for listening. God bless you.